Have you heard of the miracle leaf that's shocking doctors and health researchers alike? This one natural leaf, used in traditional medicine for centuries, is now being called a game changer for those battling diabetes, stubborn belly fat, and dangerously high cholesterol, especially among seniors over 60. In fact, scientists recently confirmed that this humble leaf can help balance blood sugar, clear clogged arteries, and burn visceral fat, the dangerous fat that wraps around your internal organs. Imagine drinking a simple tea or adding one leaf to your morning routine and watching your blood sugar numbers drop, your belly shrink, and your energy return. Sounds impossible? Well, you're about to discover the incredible truth behind this natural solution. Backed by clinical studies and used for generations across India, Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean, this leaf is finally getting the attention it deserves. As we reveal this miracle leaf, leave a comment below and let us know your experience, because your story might just help someone else reading the comments find hope or healing. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know what this miracle leaf is, how it works to lower blood sugar and melt belly fat, how to use it safely at home, and real proof from science and testimonials. And don't worry, I'll also tell you where to get it and how you can prepare it in just minutes a day. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. So, what is this powerful leaf? It's called Insulin Plant, scientific name Costus igneus. Some people call it fiery Costus, step smart leaf, or even the diabetic herb. But in Ayurvedic and African traditional medicine, it's best known as the insulin plant because of its incredible ability to regulate blood sugar naturally. This tropical plant has large, bright green leaves, and just one fresh leaf a day is said to help control blood sugar levels as effectively as some diabetes medications, but without side effects. Now let's get into the science. The leaves of the insulin plant are rich in chloroxylic acid, flavonoids, and antioxidants. These compounds do three very important things in your body. 1. They help your cells absorb glucose more efficiently, just like insulin. 2. They lower insulin resistance, which is one of the root causes of type 2 diabetes. 3. And they stimulate enzymes that regulate carbohydrate metabolism, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes after eating. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition showed that chloroxylic acid from plant leaves significantly reduced blood glucose levels in diabetic patients in just 15 days. Another study from the Indian Journal of Pharmacology found that rats treated with insulin plant extract showed a 48% reduction in fasting blood sugar, almost equal to standard anti-diabetic medications. That's impressive, but it doesn't stop at blood sugar. The insulin plant also lowers LDL cholesterol, that's the bad kind that clogs arteries. Thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps reduce triglycerides, lower LDL cholesterol, and increase HDL, the good cholesterol that protects your heart. In one 2014 study, people who took the leaf extract daily showed improved lipid profiles, meaning their cholesterol levels became healthier within 4 weeks and with no harmful effects on the liver or kidneys. And if you're over 60, this is especially important. High cholesterol increases your risk of heart attacks, stroke, and poor circulation in your legs, but this leaf helps tackle it all naturally. This leaf's power is not limited to only blood sugar. It also has a large reducing belly fat, the silent killer. Seniors pay attention to this. Let's talk about belly fat for a moment. As we age, metabolism slows down, hormones shift, and even if you're eating right, that belly can still grow. But belly fat isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's a serious health threat. It's called visceral fat, and it's linked to type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, fatty liver, even Alzheimer's. Here's the good news. The insulin plant has shown the ability to help reduce visceral fat by regulating blood sugar. High blood sugar equals more fat storage. Supporting liver detox, so fat gets processed and burned, and increasing metabolism thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects. One pilot study from the University of Kerala found that patients who consumed the leaf daily for 30 days saw a reduction in waist circumference, improved digestion, and better blood sugar control, all without diet changes. But there's more. Seniors who take the insulin plant leaf daily also report better digestion, less joint pain, improved energy and stamina, reduced sugar cravings. Why? Because the polyphenol in the leaf not only balance sugar, they also reduce inflammation in the joints, support gut health, and help regulate hormones that control hunger and satiety. This means less stiffness in the morning, fewer digestive issues like bloating or gas, more energy to walk, garden, and enjoy life again. That's why many seniors who use this leaf say, "I feel 10 years younger." Now you're probably asking, how do I take this miracle leaf? There are 3 easy ways to use it. 1. Fresh leaf, traditional method. Chew 1 leaf raw every morning before breakfast. Wash it well, chew slowly, and drink a glass of water after. 2. Tea method. Boil 1 to 2 leaves in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Strain and drink it warm once a day. 3. Powder or capsule, convenient for seniors. You can now find insulin plant leaf powder or capsules online. Just follow the dosage on the label. We've included a link in the description to a trusted source. Important tip: always consult your doctor before starting any herbal remedy, especially if you're on medications. But most people experience no side effects, just better results. Still not convinced? Let's hear what real seniors are saying. Martha, 66 years old, said, "I've had type 2 diabetes for 8 years. After chewing this leaf daily, my fasting sugar dropped from 180 to 125 in just 2 weeks. And my belly? It's shrinking too." Roberto, 71 years old, said, "My doctor couldn't believe my cholesterol dropped 30 points without meds. I told him, it's the leaf." Grace, 69 years old, said, "I feel lighter, more energized, and I'm finally sleeping well again. My joint pain is almost gone." These are everyday people, just like you, who discovered the power of natural healing. And here's something even more remarkable. In a 2021 clinical overview published in the International Journal of Ayurveda Research, scientists evaluated the insulin plant across multiple trials and noted consistent reductions in both post-meal and fasting glucose levels. But what stood out most? The leaf also showed signs of improving pancreatic function over time, meaning it may help your body naturally produce more insulin. That's a huge breakthrough for people over 60 whose insulin production may have declined over the years. And guess what? The same study also reported slight improvements in kidney function, making this leaf even more promising for diabetic seniors who are trying to avoid complications like nephropathy or kidney stress. Nature really does know what it's doing. We often search far and wide for solutions. But sometimes, the most powerful medicine is already growing in nature. The insulin plant leaf is simple, affordable, and backed by centuries of use, and now modern science too. It's not a cure-all, but for seniors who want to balance their blood sugar, lower their cholesterol, shrink their belly fat, and feel younger, lighter, and more alive. This leaf might just be the natural solution you've been waiting for. So why not try it? Just 1 leaf a day. Your future self may thank you. And if you're ready to give it a try, check the link in the description below to order high-quality insulin plant leaf capsules or teas safely from home. And let us know in the comments. Have you tried the insulin plant before? Or do you have other natural remedies that worked for you? We'd love to hear your story. And here's a bonus tip before you go. Pairing the insulin leaf with 20 minutes of daily walking, like a light stroll in the morning, can double its impact. Movement helps your body use glucose more effectively, and the combination of this leaf with gentle activity is what many seniors call their secret weapon. In fact, one 68-year-old wrote to us saying, "I take my leaf tea walk every morning, and after just 1 month, my doctor took me off one of my diabetes meds." So don't underestimate the power of small, natural habits. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health, and if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.